What's up, everybody? It's Shane with Moretti Outdoors, and we got a great gear review coming up right now. What's up, guys? Thanks for joining me again on another knife review. So what we have here today is the Grandway tactical knife, but I would consider this knife to be more of a multi-purpose knife. You can use it for hunting, fishing, camping, backpacking, hiking, and weighing only 3.2 ounces. This thing's really light. You can throw it on your waist and use it for kayaking, like I said, fishing. Let's crack this thing open and see what we got here. Real small, compact knife. I actually like the looks of it. Now, I purchased this knife off of Amazon for roughly around $12. And as you can see, now this is not just some plastic. This is thermoplastic elastomer. And that's what the handle is. This out here, I believe, is plastic. The sheath. It's got the two drain plugs. Not a bad looking knife, guys. It's 440C steel. It's got a nice polish. You can see me in there. Hello. Nice polished knife. Not bad at all. Real nice and sharp. Came out of the box sharp. This is a Grandway knife. Like I said, once again, got it off of Amazon for roughly around $12. Now the handle, the thing I really like about this knife and the reason why it attracted me was the handle. The handle itself is thermoplastic elastomer, and it's like a sticky grip, man. This thing is, I got like a Vulcan death grip on this thing. I really like it a lot. If I switch positions for, you know, some kind of a tactical position, if I want to fight, it's right there. It's nice. It's tight in the hand. It's got a good grip. I really like that a lot. Now, the blade thickness is 2.8 millimeters or 0.11 inches. The spine is real thin and it tapers down. As you can see, it's got this real thin taper. I would not ever use this knife for batoning wood. This would be strictly a knife I'd put on my waist for kayaking or, you know, cleaning fish, fishing. Maybe something I'd put at my waist if I'm doing a little backpacking trip. Nothing too spectacular. The blade width is 22 millimeters, which is 0.87, which is a little more than 3/4 of an inch in diameter. The sheath material is plastic, and it's 57 to 58 on the HRC, which is the hardness Rockwell scale. The handle length is 4.72 inches or 120 millimeters. The OAL or overall length is 230 millimeters or 9.06 inches long. Not a bad knife. I like the sheath. It's got the leather strap. It's not plastic. It's on there pretty good. Like I said, a real light knife. Real quick review. I really like that taper on there. It's a lightweight, versatile knife, and I really like it a lot. It's got the mirror polish finish on the blade, which is really nice. And like I said, I paid right around $12 for it. The 440C stainless makes it pretty sharp. Now, I'm not really familiar with 440C and stainless steel and how well it's going to sharpen up on a sharpening stone. It is corrosion resistant, which is really nice. And like I said, a very versatile knife. You can use it for just about anything other than batoning. I would not use this knife for batoning, guys. This is more of a, you know, let's grab a knife and go. Real lightweight. Really impressed with this knife. Grandway's just kind of another company I stumbled across on YouTube or on Amazon. Thought I'd do a little review on a couple of their knives. I really like that insignia that they have too. As far as grinding, that's definitely, I'm not really sure what kind of a grind they have on there. It doesn't specify either, but it's really sharp, that's for sure. Nice little knife, guys. Nice review. Short and sweet. The Grandway Tactical, guys, on Amazon, $12. How do you beat it, man? Nice little knife for the money. Guys, thank you very much for sticking around for this short review. We'll see you on the next one, guys. God bless and go wild.